Lot of junk. Alrighty everyone, welcome back to the Sned Shed. We are back here working on our 1986 Land Cruiser. In the last video we completed the gutting down, tear down of this baby. It has a lot of rust in the floors, in the roof, etc. Pretty much rust everywhere. So in today's video, I know it's probably going to be a lot of the same stuff. However, we need to get the donor vehicle tore down and gutted so that we can cut out the floors and basically all the parts that we need from this vehicle. We need to tear it down first in order to get it out. So that's what we'll be doing today. Stay tuned. Okay, are you ready for the Sned Shed tip of the day? If you're ever trying to get old hoses off of really anything and it's stuck, you're freaking pulling, like I'm yanking on this thing, can't get it off. Best thing to do is to get some pliers and try and twist it, because if you can get it to twist, then you're breaking the seal. Then it yanks right off, baby. Just like that. I'm also really glad that worked out and I didn't look like a fool. Last time we forgot to take off the exhaust bolts and stuff, so we're making sure we do that beforehand. And then we're gonna get to go do our favorite thing, which is go underneath and take the drive shafts off, which seems like we do every single video at this point. Fun. Boom. So now we got to go underneath, take off drive shafts, disconnect everything so we can get this bad boy out. Dual prong effort, yank her out. Yank her out.
jump.
We got everything disconnected underneath, at least we think so. All the wires, all the hoses, drive shafts, and the only thing left is the motor mounts. And then we can hook up the cherry picker and hopefully get it out.
Uh-oh.
That is 2 engines out. So we got the engine out, and now we need to gut the interior just like we did on the other one. So that's what we're going to get going on now. Taking the doors off, tailgate off, carpet out, take out the dash, the works. Dual pronged effort, yank her out. Alrighty, and just like that, we got the engine out. We've got this thing stripped down, at least the parts that we need. We decided not to take the dash out because this thing was hit right here. You said he hit a telephone pole, I don't know. But so this part of the floor is all bent and stuff. So we can't use it anyway. Taking the dash off would just be a waste of time. But if you look kind of here, I'll kind of try to do a side-by-side of the, the good floors on this. It's like all this right here is good. Back here, this wheel well, and the underneath floor, no rust at all. If you come back here, on the other one, you can see there's a big rust hole right here. But on this one, it is good. This entire back floor piece, we might just do as one. I don't really know how we're gonna accomplish that, but. And then if you come over here, these parts right here are quite good as well. And this is actually the worst area on the other one. The other one, by the way, her name is Caroline, so if I mention her by name again, you should know. This is Caroline.
Why Caroline? That's news to me.
Why Caroline? Because I got her in South Carolina. Yeah, so look at this part's pretty bad, including like the supports that hold up the floor. But as you saw, the ones on that car are pretty good. And anything that isn't good, we can patch. So if you look at the roof, no rust anywhere on the entire roof. So all the bad roof spots on this one, we're gonna be able to replace with the good ones on that one. The interior on both cars is pretty much horrible, so we're gonna need a completely new interior. But that's about it. In the next video, we're gonna be trying to get this one on a rotisserie. Or at least preparing it to be on the rotisserie. We're probably gonna have to build some supports just so that it doesn't kind of bend and get ruined, because as you can see, most of the floor is gone. Not most, but some of the floors are gone. If the rotisserie is not here next video though, we might possibly do a skyline video. You've seen the skyline in the background. We're not really sure, but the next step for these two, for Caroline and the donor, what's Caroline's donor you call it? Betty?
Betty.
Betty and Caroline. You're right. So yeah, that's our plan. If you watched this video, appreciate what you saw. We would love it if you would like and subscribe. It really helps us out. This is the Sned Shed. We'll catch you on the next one.